Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best bike kickstands that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based in my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price, you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the BV Adjustable Bicycle Bike Kickstand. Now we have this BV Adjustable Bike Kickstand. This product is specially designed for road track. The build quality of this product is so good that this kickstand is made up of aluminum and the product also looks very durable. The bike kickstand is waterproof and has anti-rust resistant technology and it's easy to use on bumpy roads. The kickstand is available in various sizes. This product has 3 sizes which are 22 inches, 24 inches, and 26 inches. In this product, there are so many features like this product that have an adjustable button so you can adjust your kickstand. Moving on at number 4, we have the BV USA Adjustable Aluminum Alloy Kickstand. On 9th we bought this BV USA Adjustable Kickstand. This kickstand is made up of very good quality aluminum that the product looks very durable. This kickstand has so many features. This product is anti-rust resist and also waterproof. The height adjustable feature in this product is very good. This pick is our budget-friendly pick. The installation of this product is very easy because there are no tools required. The makers of this product also provide a 1-year guarantee and warranty. This kickstand provides you a solid balance on uneven ground. At number 3, we have the Top Cabin Adjustable Aluminum Alloy Bike Bicycle Kickstand. Now we have this Top Cabin Adjustable Aluminum Bike Kickstand. This product is designed for mountain and road track. This stylish kickstand is very good and made up of aluminum. The most unique feature of this product is that this stand is made in a single piece. There is no joint in it which makes this product better than others. The bike kickstand is waterproof and has resistant technology so it's easy to use on bumpy roads. The kickstand is available in various sizes. The kickstand offers a nice and smooth parking experience which is appreciated. The product is very durable and there are so many safety features in it. At number 2, we have the BV Bike Kickstand, Alloy Adjustable Height Rear Side Bicycle Stand. This simple BV bike kickstand is ideal and with all aspects, this product is perfect because it has so many features like this stand has adjustable features so now you can adjust between 24 inches to 28 inches. The physical characteristics of this product prove that this is one of the best kickstands in the market. The color of this bike kickstand is the whole black and there is an anti-skid rubber grip that prevents you from any skid. The installation of this product is also very easy. The product is made up of aluminum which is very good. The product looks durable and reliable. Due to the features, this product is a customer's favorite. And finally at number 1, we have the Rear Mount Stand Aluminum Bicycle Kickstand Black. Just like all bike stands, this stand also has so many basic features. The build quality of this kickstand is so good and this product is highly recommended. The product is made from 100% pure aluminum which is appreciated. This product provides great comfort because of its height. This rear mount kickstand is very strong. This bike kickstand has so many unique features like it has an easy parking feature. This bike kickstand is waterproof and wear resistant. The physical look of this product is quite good. The price of this product is very affordable. The kickstand seems very durable because the material which is used is very premium. Thanks you for watching guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.